Hello everybody, welcome to our channel School at Home 2121. In this video, we are going to learn about 10 species which are only found in Amazon rainforest. The first one in the queue is pink dolphin. These freshwater dolphins are found in Amazon and Orinoco rivers and their tributaries. They are the largest river dolphins in the world and they are known for their pink coloration. Next one in the queue is harpy eagle. This is the largest and most powerful raptor in Americas. It preys on monkeys, sloths and other large mammals. The third one in the queue is golden lion tamarin. The name is lion, but they are not lions. Instead, these are monkeys which are found in the Atlantic forest of Brazil. They are named for their distinctive golden mane of fur. The fourth one is electric eel. This fish is able to generate powerful electric shocks. That's right, the electric eel can generate up to 650 volts of electricity, which is enough to stun a human. The electric eel uses its electric shocks to stun its prey, which consists of fish, frogs and small mammals. The fifth one is giant otter. These freshwater otters are the largest members of the weasel family. They are social animals and they live in groups of up to 10 individuals. Next one is uakri monkey. These monkeys are known for their bright red faces and short black fur. They are found in the Amazon and Orinoco rivers and their tributaries. Next one is huadzin. This is a bird. It is related to the extinct moa and elephant birds. It is found in the Amazon and Orinoco rivers and their tributaries. Next one is poison dart frog. These small frogs are brightly colored to warn their predators that they are toxic, that they are found in the Amazon rainforest and other parts of South America. The ninth one is capybara. This is the largest rodent in the world. It is found in the Amazon rainforest and other parts of South America. The last but not the least is anaconda. This snake is the largest in the world. It is found in the Amazon rainforest and other parts of South America.
Hello everybody, welcome to our channel School at Home 2121. In this video, we are going to bring to your attention something you may have never heard of. Have you ever thought who would win in a fight between anacondas and pythons? Well, they are both very long, powerful snakes that use ambushing and constricting to hurt their prey, but they have no venom. However, they are both very different from one another. Let's take a closer look at these two snakes. When it comes to size, anacondas are generally heavier and bulkier than pythons. The green anaconda in particular is known for its massive size and can reach length of over 20 feet, that is 6 meters. While pythons can also grow to impressive lengths, they are generally not as heavy as anacondas are. The reticulate python is often considered the longest snake species. Habitat. Anacondas are primarily aquatic and are commonly found in swamps, marshes, and slow-moving rivers. They are excellent swimmers and are adapted to life in water. Pythons are more diverse in their habitat. While some species like the Burmese python are semi-aquatic, others may be found in a variety of environments including grasslands, forests, and rocky areas. Speed and movement. Generally, snakes are not known for their speed, and they often rely on ambushes to catch prey. The anaconda is slightly faster on land, racing up to 5 miles per hour on land. In the water, where they spend most of the time, they can swim up to 10 miles per hour. Python can reach a maximum speed on land of up to 1 miles per hour as it slithers along, and it can maintain about the same speed in the water. Some pythons like the reticulate python can swim, but others do not swim much. So in this way, anaconda gets a slight advantage when it comes to speed and movement. Squeeze power and biting force. Both the reticulate python and the green anaconda are constrictors. They use similar means to attack and hurt their prey, that is, squeezing. Anacondas have a squeezing force that measures 90 pounds per square inch, putting a lot more pressure on their foes than pythons. On the other hand, the python squeezing force is up to 14 pounds per square meter, and that is enough to hurt human beings. So in this way also, the anaconda gets the edge of power and biting force as well. Offensive capabilities. The anaconda does the exact same thing, but it has more crushing force to put an end to the fight. The python is built to capture and eat prey. They have nearly 100 teeth. They deliver a powerful bite, but it's not used to hurt the enemy much. It is used to latch onto them and begin wrapping up their foe and squeezing them to hurt. The offensive capability of these two creatures are similar, but the anaconda is much stronger and gets the advantage here as well. So, if the two snakes go in fight against each other, chances are anaconda would win because of its bite force, immense weight, and crushing power. If you like this information, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel School at Home 2121. Thank you.